So my path to becoming an LPN was definitely different. I started off going to a four-year university, and I realized that it wasn't for me. I got overwhelmed pretty quickly, and so I left that program and I moved to a different state with my dad. And he became sick and he had to have 2 surgeries. And so after both of those surgeries, I stayed there and I took care of him. And it was after that that I realized that I definitely want to become a nurse. The simulation labs provide us with some real-world experiences that we haven't had yet in clinicals. And we're able to practice with scenarios that we might not see every single day, so that we'll be prepared for the real world when they actually happen. A particular sim lab scenario that was interesting to me was our coding scenario. It was a cold blue, so that means that the patient flatlined and they have no heart rate. There's a lot of adrenaline with a code. It's just interesting to see how in real life everyone knows their role, so getting to practice that, we get to see where we would be in a real world situation. I would tell a prospective student that if you are looking for a supportive environment that is set up for you to succeed, then DCTS is the place for you. I am Meimounah Sherif, and this is my DCTS pathway to becoming an LPN.